Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing with you our updated fall morning routine, and I hope you guys enjoy. And this video is sponsored by Care Of. Oakley wakes up first in the morning, and Andrew usually gets up with him because Oakley is not sleeping through the night. Oakley's popping through 4 of his molars, so I'm up with him a lot during the night, and then Andrew will get up with him in the morning. And you guys, I think it's so funny you saw him in a pink shirt because I hadn't done his laundry in a little while, and I didn't have any clean pajamas to put him in last night. So I put him in one of Emerson's and totally forgot that I was going to be filming this video. So that was a fun little surprise for Andrew in the morning when he was filming this. I usually wake up around 8 o'clock in the morning, and the first thing that I do is go into the bathroom and I take my glasses off and put my contacts in, brush my teeth, and I don't take a shower in the mornings because I usually take those at night. Next, I leave our room to go downstairs, and on the way downstairs is our laundry room. So I usually start a load of laundry first thing in the morning before I go downstairs, but I will be honest with you, I'm not always good about folding the clothes and putting them away, but I am really good at least washing and drying 1 load of laundry a day. And I think it's because I have included this in my morning routine. Next, I go downstairs, and Oakley immediately crawls over to me and wants me to hold him. Every single morning, the very first thing that I do when I come downstairs is make a cup of coffee. You guys, watch Oakley in this shot. He knows he's not supposed to be in the trash can, so he's waiting for me to leave, and then he turns around and gets in the trash. My go-to for my coffee is organic grass-fed milk and maple syrup. Once my coffee is made, I will go into the living room, and I just take the time to kind of wake up and enjoy my coffee. Oakley is super clingy with me. He loves his mom right now, and so he of course wants to be up in my lap. Emerson wakes up on her own time, and it never is the same time every morning. Sometimes it's early, sometimes it's really late. So whenever she wakes up, then we go upstairs and get her out of bed. She's really good about waiting for us to come and get her and not getting out of bed herself. The first thing that Emmi asks for when she comes downstairs is cereal. So we're going to start her off with a bowl. Now I'm gonna cook breakfast for the kids, and a really easy go-to for us is fried eggs. I used to scramble them, but then I got kind of lazy and just started frying them, and the kids really enjoy eating them this way. So first thing I do is I put some grass-fed butter and melt that, and then I just throw in the eggs, break the yolks, and that's it. And then usually I'll top the eggs with a little bit of pink Himalayan sea salt. Emmi is getting to be a little Miss Independent these days, and she wants to do a lot of things herself. And she also really likes to cook in the kitchen. And she asked if she could cook her own eggs, so Andrew is helping her do that. At some point in the morning, I will open up all of our blinds to let in some natural light. And this window is really important for me to open in the morning because I got a new fiddle leaf fig tree. Isn't it beautiful? And these trees require a lot of light. Some days Oakley takes one nap and other days he takes two. So I just kind of listen for his cues, and since he woke up really early this morning, he wanted to take an early nap. So I nurse him and then I lay him down. All right, so it is a quieter time in the morning. Oakley is asleep upstairs. Emmi is downstairs playing in the basement. So I'm gonna take this time for a little me time and have my breakfast. And with my breakfast in the mornings, I usually take my vitamins and supplements, and I usually get them from Care Of. I've been taking vitamins and supplements from them 4 months, and I love it because it's super convenient. And I also know that I'm taking the things that I need to be taking and not taking the things that I don't need to be taking. Summer is usually a time where we fall off the wagon, we're out of our routine, and so fall is a great time to kind of set new goals, get back into our routines, and make sure we're eating healthy as well as taking our vitamins and supplements. So how Care Of works is you take a short 5-minute quiz and answer easy questions about your lifestyle, your diet, and your health needs. And you get research-backed recommendations on supplements, vitamins, and protein based off of your personal quiz results. And then your order will get shipped straight to your door in convenient daily packets. And these vitamin packets, as well as your protein tub, say your name on it. In the quiz, I mentioned that I am breastfeeding still, so I have a prenatal vitamin that I am still taking, and I never forget to take it because of the convenient daily packs that I can just take with me on the go, put them in my purse, take them with me in the car. I never forget to take them that way. And I also said that I needed just an energy boost. Oakley's not sleeping through the night, and I'm just a busy mom right now. So I got vitamins like B12 to help support my energy. Now this is the part that's really important to me. I am all about transparency and seeing where things are sourced. Care Of prioritizes quality and sustainability. Care Of makes it really easy to see where everything is sourced from to kind of help ensure that everything is super high quality. For example, their fish oil is made from wild Alaskan salmon, and their protein powder is made from simple ingredients like organic cocoa powder and Himalayan sea salt. Care Of really cares about the environment, which I love that, and they make it a priority with their new compostable packs, and you can get information on how to compost these all on their website. This is where I usually keep my vitamin tower with the individual packs in it, right here by my coffee pot, so that I always see it and I never forget to take it. And then these are the individual packets, and how convenient are these? They say my name on it, so I know that this one's mine. And then there's also always a little fact on there, which is kind of cool. And these are the vitamins that I'm taking. So I can always just grab one of these from the tower and throw it in my purse or take it with me in the car. That way it's just easy. Also, if I were to go on vacation, I could just grab, you know, however many days I'm gonna be gone, grab 5 packets or whatever. Care Of makes it really easy to get all of the supplements and protein that you personally need for your individual lifestyle. I will have a link in the description box below where you can take the quiz yourself and get your personalized recommendations. And I also have a discount code for you. You can use the code AllieG for 50% off. For breakfast myself most mornings, I usually just have a perfect bar. This morning, Emmi wanted to play down in the basement, which is where she spends a lot of her time. in her little playroom. So I went downstairs after I finished my breakfast and my coffee, and the playroom was kind of messy. So I decided that we would all have a little family cleanup session and get the basement back in order. The days that I don't put my makeup on and get myself together tend to be my lesser productive days. So I try and put on my makeup in the morning and also put on some clothes. They don't have to be fancy clothes, they can be comfy, but I try and put myself together in the morning just so my day ends up a little bit more productive. So I'm downstairs in the basement bathroom putting on my makeup, which is usually where I put on my makeup so that I can also keep an eye on the kids. And Emmi is so cute and loves to put on makeup with me. She's definitely a little mini me, and she's so girly and cute, and I just love getting to teach her all of these girly things. I think it's amazing how she watches everything I do and copies it, which is super cool, but also kind of scary at the same time. And that really just gives me a sense of responsibility because I am her role model. It's a little bit later in the morning and Oakley is awake from his nap, and we are all as a family going to get ourselves put together so that we can leave the house and run some errands. So up the stairs all the kids go, and we're going to get them ready in Emerson's room. This is the outfit that I chose to wear today. The sweater and the jeans are both from Walmart. I've been loving shopping at Walmart lately. It's super affordable and they actually do have some cute stuff if you know where to find it. So that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you are subscribed to the channel so you don't miss any of the other videos that we have. You can follow us on Instagram at Allie_Gooch, and make sure you guys check out Care Of and use the code AllieG for 50% off. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.